Hey guys, today let's learn how to see your Messenger password on your iPhone device. So if you guys would like to go ahead and see your Messenger passcode, all we need to do is just tap on our settings option right here, and I want you to scroll to the option until you see your passwords option right there. Now, if you have, or well, preferably you will have your Messenger or any of your passwords saved on your iPhone device, and this is going to be pretty easy if you are using an iPhone device, since iPhone or any iOS device will save your passwords when you choose to do it. So just tap on passwords over here, and of course what we need to go ahead and do from there is to just, well, scan our Face ID, and what we need to go ahead and do is a quick search of the Messenger or Facebook application, and you will see all of your Messenger passwords over here. Just tap on which Facebook account that you'd like to go ahead and see the password of, and what you could actually do from here is to just tap on this password option to view your password quickly and easily. Just tap on that and the password will be shown to you. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.